I'm just showing you a picture and you have to tell me that what are living things and what are non-living things. First, see in this picture that there is a boy who is moving with a dog. Boy is moving, he is a living thing. Dog is also a living thing. Now see the hut. There is one house or hut. So that hut is non-living. One tree is behind this house. That tree is also a living thing. Now plane is flying in the sky. This plane is non-living thing. Now a car is also moving on the road. This car is a non-living thing. Bird is there. That bird is living and it is sitting on a signboard. That signboard is non-living thing. Now the last thing, flowers are there and these flowers are living thing. So my dear students, what is the concept behind it? That some things are living and some are non-living. So we should learn about the characters of living and non-living thing. So I explain you some characters of living things. The first character of living things is growth. Growth means living things can grow. उनकी ग्रोथ हो सकती है, वो साइज में बड़े हो सकते हैं. Have you seen a plant when it's smaller? After few days or after few months, that plant increases its size. That it is growing. इसकी size increase हो रही है, इसमें growth हो रही है. Number second thing, you also can see your picture when you are 2 years old or 1 year old and now you are 6 to 7 year old. You can see these pictures, then you see that there is a growth in your body. It is growth. This is the character of a living thing. Now the number second thing, living things need food and water. Daily you are taking breakfast, daily you are taking lunch. You need food. Can you live without taking food for 1 or 2 days? No. Your answer is no, ma'am. We can't live without food or without water. That living things always need food and water to survive. You can also see a plant. Plant is also a living thing. Because in that picture I show you that one boy is there. That boy is a living thing. That boy is growing. That boy shows the character of a growth. Now number second, that boy also need food and water. Plants also show growth and plants also need water. Because if you don't put water in them, then they dry up. It's summer time and in summer time they need more water. In winters they require some lesser water. But they need water. So all living things need water. Now there is one pen in my hand. Can this pen also take food and water? Does it require? No. The answer is no, it doesn't require. It also not shows the growth. It shows board. This board also not shows the character of growth. It's not growing. The size is fixed. So it is also a non-living thing. This pen also is a non-living thing. Now the next character of living thing is living things can feel. In your chapter sense organs, you have learned about 5 sense organs. That sense organs gives us information about our surroundings. If there is hot thing, then your skin feel it. If cold thing, then again your skin feel it. If there is a smell, it's very good smell or bad smell, you show that thing. So you can feel the things because you are living. आप वो सारे एक्सप्रेशंस, आप वो सारी चीजों को फील कर सकते हैं because you are living. But this again the next character is that living things can feel. Now the next character is, fourth character is that living things can breathe. Breathe means सांस लेना. So living things can breathe. We are taking breath. Without taking this gas inside our body, can we live? No, we cannot live even for 1 or 2 minutes. So always we are taking gas inside and releasing it outside. We are taking breath. We call it as breathing. Okay? So living things can breathe. Plants also breathe. Plants also taking gas inside them and releasing some gas out of them. So they also take breath. So plants and animals both are living. Next character of living things is move. Living things can move. You are looking towards me, and what I am doing? I am moving from one place to another place. I am moving. So I am living. That's why I am moving. Does this word is moving? No. It is non-living. I am putting my hand on it, but it never shows any kind of sensation or it don't move. But if you push me, then I move. So living things can show movement. They can walk or move. And the last character of living things is reproduce. That living things can give birth to babies. Plants also give birth to new plants. They are making seeds. Like this, animals also giving birth to babies. But can this pen give birth to a baby? No, because it's a non-living thing. There are so many characters of living and non-living. So many differences are there. But these are some of the basic and main characters which a living thing shows and non-living things doesn't show. So you have to learn all these characters that differentiate between living and non-living. Okay, thank you, students.